Hey guys, it's Kamora from Kamora's Beauty Den. If you don't know who I am, I'm Kamora and this is my channel. I love makeup and I do makeup all the time. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. And if you have, thank you so much. And make sure to tell your friends and family all about me. So today I'm going to expose Sephora because I'm just not so happy on what they did. I went to Sephora because my mom was taking me makeup shopping. My dad had his cell phone out. He was taking photos of me, so excited that I'm getting new makeup. And then all of a sudden, the manager comes over. And he said, "Hey, you're not allowed taking photos." And my dad said, "She's my daughter. I can take photos." And he's like, "No, you can't. I'm sorry." And then my dad, we move over to another section. And my dad starts taking more photos of me. And then he comes back over and he says, "Seriously, no photos. Brands don't want to be exposed." So then we said, okay, fine, and we left. We went to Morphe, and then we asked, "Can we take photos?" And they're like, "Yeah, sure, love yourself. Do whatever you want. Go for it. We encourage it." The people at Sephora were so annoying. I'll make sure to shop anywhere but Sephora, because Sephora sucks. Now that that's out the way, I'm going to be super excited, because guess what? I got the Morphe X James Charles palette. And I'll be opening this with you guys. I also got Morphe's lashes. I was going to get the premium lashes, but they were a little too long. So they suggested these ones. But I'll make sure that when I'm older, I will get the premium ones. Let's open this up. Look at the colors. Out of all these colors, I think that this one's my favorite because teal is my favorite color and I love glitter. And that color is actually called Hello. Reminds me of the song Hello from the Other Side by Adele. Put that back in there. You know what? It's fine. Remember, this is #KBD. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time!